All right, it's bug feeding day. Bearded dragons only eat twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're gonna locate our bug feeding containers, our Tuesday containers if it's Tuesday, or our Thursday containers if it's Thursday. Those are located in the top drawer of our cabinet.
Next, we're going to check each container with the lids on to make sure all the bugs are living prior to the feeding. Bearded dragons need to eat between 10 to 30 living bugs per feeding. If the containers are empty or they don't have at least 10 living insects, please contact our zoologist. Next, we'll grab the Rapashi Calcium Plus shaker from the second drawer of the cabinet.
Alright, next you're going to grab out the bug feeding bowls. These are different from the containers. The bug feeding bowls are located in the second drawer. We're going to pull those out. So we'll grab the bug feeding bowls out. Alright, next we're going to place each of the bug feeding bowls into an enclosure. Remember, bug feeding number 1 is on the bottom. This is bug feeding number 2. Enclosure number 2, if you want to put it right here, and then I'll place number 1 up. Now we're going to open up the Tuesday or Thursday containers. This one's our Tuesday, so we're going to open that up. Remember, this is Tuesday, the middle, number 2, so it goes in the number 2 enclosure. And we're going to sprinkle, just light sprinkle. You get a close up on that. We're going to sprinkle our bugs. Just like that. Only a light sprinkle. We don't want to, do any powdered donuts. We're just going for light dust. Gonna give them a little shake, get that dust in there. Just going to have actually set those bugs. You want to dump those in that bug feed. Just dump the whole thing in there. Go ahead and flip it upside down. Coming off the top like my name is Jeff. So I came in fresh.
Sexier, but don't make a fine line. Flexing, duh, I don't remember ever trying. Beat the rest of y'all like anorexia. Yo, I didn't really mean to, it's just cause I didn't die. In the mix like Twitch with dyslexia, boy. Record breaking records as Erexia, boy.
Next, we're gonna just clean out the containers. Just want to get a dry wipe and just wipe the inside out. We don't want any mold or anything growing in there from the wet bugs. We're just gonna dry that out.
The next step is just to watch and observe. You can normally have a client do this while you are cleaning out the containers, but just have the client watch and observe and make sure that the bearded dragon eats all their food. If a bearded dragon doesn't eat its food within an hour, please contact our zoologist. Once the bearded dragon has eaten all of its food, we will need to remove the bug feeding dish from the enclosure. By removing this will help teach our bearded dragons when it's bug feeding time. Also, this helps us to prevent future illnesses or sicknesses, as bearded dragons love to poop in their bug feeding dishes.
Alright, now it's time to clean up. So make sure that we put away all of our supplies, and then we're going to lock up this cabinet. Now we're going to lock up each of the enclosures before we leave. And then make sure we put the keys right back where we got them from, on the top corner.
Running to the gas on E, shaking them and that's on me. Catastrophe, breaking the ankles and make them fast to sleep. Better count them sheep,
because that's how we pass like a damn stampede. Faster than NASCAR, NASA can't match that speed.